Do you get bubbles in your resin pores? Do you? Look at this. Look at this. Look at. Let me share with you the number one thing that people come to me with and how I help them. So first of all, hi, my name is Nita. I am the owner of Nita's Fluid Woodworks, and I do resin art. I work with epoxy resin, and I specialize in clear pores. A lot of people come to me because I do it, and I do it well, okay? So let me help you do the same thing. Number one is going to be, are you using the correct type of resin, right? So there's tabletop resins, there's art resins, there's resins that you can only do coatings with, and some people are using those as casting resins, which are thick, right? So I'm gonna link below my YouTube video, what is the best resin for the job, and that's going to explain the 6 different types of resin and then which resin I use from there. And also, I'm gonna give you my number one thing. You're just using the wrong resin. The resin I use is linked below. It is this right here. So, what resin do I use? Well, I used to use them, but now they have moved into these guys, Promise Epoxy. So, that's what I use. That's what I love. Yes, I do a lot of product reviews for companies that want me to try out their products and stuff like that. And I do them, but I give honest reviews. And I will not switch from the brand that I'm using until somebody can outdo them in some kind of way and give me consistent results. Nobody's done that thus far, 5 years, and I'm still with the same brand. I am an affiliate with them, so if you use my promo code, that could be a thank you to Nita. But it's just the wrong resin, that's all. I don't prep anything. So when I do these, I do not coat any of the rocks that I put in there. I don't coat any of the lures, the driftwood, none of that. I don't believe in making more work for yourself. If you use the right products, it just makes things easier. So I bought 15 gallons for, I think, about 1,400 bucks. And that's not bad to me. I have used a lot more expensive resins and not gotten the best results. So if you struggle with micro bubbles, overheating, things like that, you're just using the wrong resin, and I want to help. So I'm going to be doing a lot more videos on showing you guys how to get the consistent results and things like that. But first place to start is, what is the project you're doing, right? What product do you need for that project? A lot of times I'll use 2 or 3 different types of resin in there and brands. So, but when it comes to bubble-free pores, I highly, highly, highly recommend Promise Epoxy. Coupon code 10% is Fluid Wood. 10% coupon code is Fluid Wood. That's my affiliate code. But I just been hearing it so much, like, Nita, what am I doing wrong? What am I to get bubble-free pores? I do my Scullies, and I consistently get clear pores. Okay, so I hope this helps. If you have any questions about something that you're working on or a project that you want to build or anything like that, drop a comment down below. I got you. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. I am going to be doing a lot more content here on YouTube because this is where I want to concentrate. I want to be YouTube famous one day. Help me get there. I'll see y'all next time. Right now, we're going to work on these cribbage boards and this beautiful ammo board. It's got spent shell casings in it. It's gorgeous. And we're going to be running a live sale tomorrow. So I don't know who we is. It's me. I am we. All right, you guys, here's a couple more projects that this is what I do. And like I said, I specialize in crystal clear pores. This is what I do. This is my business. Let me just help you guys with what's the right products for the job. So, all right, y'all. I will see you guys next time. Drop a comment for whatever you need from me on the next video or a project you want to see done, and we'll do that, okay?